Good morning, grade 4 students. In this class, we will learn about forests and wildlife in India, and we will discuss wildlife in India and conservation. Animals are killed for their skin, fur, horn, and tusk. In the past, wild animals and birds were hunted for pleasure. As a result, many animals have become extinct. There are some animals whose numbers have reduced so that they might soon disappear from the earth. These are called endangered animals. Though nowadays hunting has been made illegal, animals are still not safe from the poachers. In order to protect our forest and wildlife, the Government of India has declared many areas and forests as protected areas. Reserved forests, national parks, and wildlife sanctuaries are all protected areas. The cutting down of trees and killing of any animals is illegal in these areas. Some well-known national parks and sanctuaries are Gorbat National Park in Uttarakhand, Jaldarbara National Park in West Bengal, Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Periyar National Park, and Tiger Reserve in Kerala and Sariska in Rajasthan. Homes of thousands of birds, animals, and insects are lost due to deforestation. We must also remember to protect them by having afforestation process and programs in our areas, and we should protect all the endangered animals. All animals, birds and insects that live in their natural habitat or the wild are known as the wildlife. India has a large variety of wildlife. In the forests located in the north and the east of India, there are animals such as elephants, rhinos, tigers, deer, and so on. Animals such as leopards, tigers, bears, wild boars, and wild buffaloes live in the deciduous forest. A large variety of fish, water birds, and reptiles are found in India's rivers and lakes. India is famous for its Asiatic lions found in the Gir forest in Gujarat. The famous Royal Bengal tiger is found in the Sundarbans in the West Bengal. The largest number of one-horned rhinos in the world can be found in Kaziranga National Park in Assam in India. We also can notice that the birds in this, still we are seeing that they are from the Vedandangal bird sanctuary in Tamil Nadu near Mahabalipuram, and we are seeing some of the national parks that are found in India. They are the protected areas for the wildlife. Save endangered animals. Thank you.